Hey everyone, okay, so today, I've got my coat on. So today I'm going to be talking to you about this amazing new cleansing bar, and it costs $8. It's from Good Molecules, and here it is. This is what it looks like. It's the Clarify and Cleanse cleansing bar. $8. I think you can actually get like 3 or something like that for like $24 or something. So this is a cleansing bar. It looks like a soap, but it is not a soap. Now it contains tea tree oil and salicylic acid. It is therefore aimed primarily at those of you who suffer from breakouts or are looking for a cleansing bar for oily skin, but it can be used on all skin types. This is not your average soap. If it weren't for the salicylic acid and the tea tree oil, it is very similar to Drunk Elephant in that it isn't a soap. It isn't drying. It looks like a soap, feels like a soap, does not act like a soap on the skin. For $8, it's a pretty bloody good bargain. I was very lucky enough that I actually got sent this way before time. So I've actually got a few of them and it is incredible. I don't just use it on the face because it's so cheap as well. I ordered like loads of them so I can use it all over the body as well. Because I'm still one of those really old-fashioned people that I love soap. I love the feel of lathering it up. I love Clinique soap. Sad news, Clinique soap is going. They are getting rid of the whole line of soaps apart from the extra mild, I believe, which is just outrageous. So I love Clinique soap. But now we have a replacement. It's cheap, $8. If you've tried this, it hasn't been released very long, but let me know in the description bar. I'd love to know what your thoughts are, or what your thoughts are in general of cleansing bars that really are not a soap. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Has you can really smell the tea tree oil in it, but it takes everything off the skin, everything, makeup, all goes. You get a really nice lather with it as well. But after you finish and you've washed your face, it doesn't feel, dry or like all the oil has been removed. It feels completely normal, which is why it will work for drier skins too. And actually quite like Good Molecules to come up with another version of this, but without the tea tree oil and the salicylic acid, and have it to be just a truly luxurious cleanser for drier skin types. I'd love to see that. So let's see what's going to come up with them. Anyway, thanks for watching. $8. Beaut. See you next time. Bye-bye.